Hello great mind, you're welcome to this page, and in this video I am going to teach you how to generate AI pictures of yourself or for others, because I get to know that some people are getting paid for generating AI picture for people, which I don't think is that bad, because you make money from what you know and you pay others for what you don't know. But don't worry, in this video I am not collecting anything from you. I am giving you the knowledge for free. So if you're new to this page, please subscribe to the page, and if you are an incoming subscriber, please like this video and put a comment beneath. This is just the only way you can pay me, so that other people can get to see it too. So let's get started. So this is the app I am making use of. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you the name before I finish up. So you get to this interface. Okay, let me show you before you get to the interface what you're going to see. So this is the original interface that you will see after you downloaded the app and you have logged in. You see enhance photo. You can enhance the pictures on your phone and make it better, make it look like you have visited a photo studio or stuff like that. But that's not the essence of this video. This video is to teach you how to generate AI pictures. So you see this thing down here, this AI, then you click it and you get to train your AI. So I want to train my AI. So after clicking on train your AI, that small space where I click on, you get to choose the gender of the images you want to generate, be it male or female or others. But I don't know why you want to choose other, but that's just what is there. So in this video I am making example with female because I'm a female. So I choose female and then I choose continue. So here you are to upload 8 selfie of yourself, 8 selfie of yourself to train the AI to recognize your face. So once you are able to upload 8 selfie of yourself or the person that you want to generate the images for, 8 selfie, make sure it is not a picture that has like a group picture. Make sure it is that singular person that is in the image, and 8 different one. It is for the AI to be able to recognize the faces, and then it will be able to place it in different images. And at the beginning, so that you will not get pissed off, at the beginning of generating this, that is your first time of uploading the picture, because the AI has to take time for the AI to be able to recognize the face on the 8 pictures that you upload. So give it time. So you click on the upload and then you choose the faces or the selfie of the person that you want to choose the AI. You want to design the AI picture for, or if it is yourself, just make sure to pick 8 of a particular person. And once it is 8, then you click on continue. So after your AI has successfully recognized the face, the AI app has told you that the images is completely synchronized, then you get to this page where you can choose different templates. If you have been seeing AI pictures on the internet, you get to know that some of the pictures has this template. So you get to see the templates and you can choose any of the templates to generate AI pictures. So let's say I want to generate AI for, okay, somebody wearing suits, let me just say. So I've already uploaded my image and the AI has been trained to recognize my face. So I want to use this model. So let's see what I'm going to get. You also wait for it to load, and you can see it's only going to take, I think, 220 something seconds, not minutes. So we're going to wait for it to load. When training your AI, it will take longer period depending on the internet in your area. I generated another set of AI for me to choose from. If I don't like, I switch left. Okay, left. I switch left. And if I like it, I switch right. Just on and on like that. So you can choose as many as you want, maybe for yourself or for the person that you are doing it for. So let's say I don't like this also. Now I can generate more, or okay, it has given me another video. I don't want the video, so I can generate more, or I can change the model. Now I said you are not to stick to just one model, so I can just get to change the model to any of these again with the faces, the face, just a singular face in 8 places. Okay, with the face that I have trained the AI with, it will still generate different ones for me. So let's say I want to generate for another person. Now I want to train the AI again with another face. Oh, how do I do it? So you click on the setting here. So you click on it and you see this aspect that says retrain AI. I want to retrain the AI. So you click on it and it will ask you if you want to delete the model that you are using already, or you want to keep the model. If you keep it, that means you still want to generate more images. So I'm going to say yes, delete the model. So you can see I come back to where I started from. I get to choose the gender, and then I'll get to choose the image and repeat the process again. Now I promise that I'm going to tell you the app I use in doing those magic. The app is Remini AI photo enhancer, so you can get to download it from your Play Store and you get to use it for free for some time, but then you need to make, I think, 1,500 naira stuff per week. But when you log in, you see, okay, let me show you where you're going to see it. So the app is going to take you to this page where you get to choose the subscription that you want. So I've taken my current plan is 1 week for this month, and the free days that I have gotten, and can get to pay yearly if I want. I will get to pay about 4,950 per week, just like that, just to show you that you need to pay some little amount of money to generate these pictures, but then you can maximize it within the days and generate as many pictures as you want, and you can even make the advertisement to get your money back. If somebody pay you 1,000 naira to generate different AI image, and 10,000, that's about 10,000 naira, and you still be paying this 1,570 within a week, no matter the number of pictures that you generate. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to this page or you are yet to like this video, please do so. This is the only way you can get to pay me. I'm not charging for this, but please I'm begging you, subscribe to this page, like the video and share with somebody, please. I hope you got some value. So let me know which AI teachers you like from the ones I have created, or let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you.